Welcome to National General Accident and Health's short-term medical insurance product video, temporary healthcare coverage for the whole family. In this video, we're going to go over National General's short-term medical plan design, the eligibility for the short-term medical plan, what's required to enroll into National General's short-term medical insurance, and all the post-sale information you need to answer the questions your clients may have after the product is purchased. This short-term medical product is offered in both a standard and guaranteed issue. You and your client can choose policy term lengths anywhere from 30 days to 3 months. It is available in a large number of states, so it's easy to fit into your current product portfolio, and the enrollment process is simple with a few medical questions for the standard issue short-term medical insurance. This plan comes with more than just a standard deductible and coinsurance. Your client, depending on the state, can get access to Lifestyle Association for a variety of additional benefits. So why short-term medical? Well, there are thousands of different reasons why clients may need this product, especially with the regulations within the Affordable Care Act. Some of the common ones we see are people who have missed open enrollment and don't have a qualifying life event. If they miss the open enrollment period, they'll have to wait to the end of the year to get insurance, leaving them unprotected for the whole year. Many clients don't feel comfortable being uninsured for any amount of time. Those waiting for Medicare, we get a lot of shorter-term policies where agents write it for a few months to cover the client while they're waiting to qualify for their Medicare benefits. At National General, many of our clients are students who need insurance coverage for a certain class or program, but also quite often we have international students who need insurance for a semester while they're here in the United States. And we can provide coverage for waiting periods some clients have when they start a new job. Let's jump into some plan details. As we go through the benefits, we're going to take a look at 10 of the standard issue builds, but also 2 guaranteed issue builds. We're going to start with deductibles. The standard issue deductible ranges from $1,000 all the way up to $25,000. Keep in mind, the deductible is maxed at 3 per family. The guaranteed issue deductibles are $3,500 or $5,000. The coinsurance options are 50-50 to 100% for the standard issue, and for guaranteed issue, they're either 80-20 or 90-10. The maximum out-of-pocket for standard issue plans are $2,500 to $25,000, and the guaranteed issue plans, they're both at $10,000. The coverage period max, and yes, you heard me right, coverage period max. This is one thing that really makes this product stand out from the competition. At National General, it's a coverage period, so for the length you have just this policy, that's the maximum benefits you have available. The standard issue is either $250,000 or $1 million, depending on the plan you selected, and the guaranteed issue is $100,000. Here's our 10 standard issue short-term medical plan designs. You'll see on the left, we have the 5 deductible options, $1,000 anywhere up to $25,000. We have our coinsurance options, 50-50, 80-20, or 100%. We do offer 4 plans that have a 100% coinsurance option. Our out-of-pocket maximums, after the deductible is met, and then the coverage period maximum. The 3 50-50 coinsurance option plans all have a $250,000 coverage period maximum, where the others are $1 million. If your client qualifies for guaranteed issue, here are their 2 options. Guaranteed issue short terms are hard to find, and I know clients are just happy to know that something's out there that provides benefits to them if the big what if happens. This short-term medical plan uses Aetna's Open Choice PPO network. Yes, an Aetna network on a short-term medical plan. And not only that, it's one of Aetna's largest networks. This network is so large it has over 850,000 medical providers and almost 7,000 hospitals. The pre-negotiated discounted rates on this plan provides our clients on average 50% savings. The doctor visit benefits on this plan are subject to deductible and coinsurance. The urgent care benefit on this plan is a real value added. These plans have unlimited $50 urgent care access fees, then subject to the coinsurance, so the plan's deductible is waived. To go to the urgent care for $50 is a real savings, and this helps provide the client the benefits they're looking for right away. For emergency rooms, your client will have unlimited visits with a $250 access fee unless admitted. Now, all charges to the emergency room are subject to the client's deductible and coinsurance. For ambulance services, your client would have unlimited trips, and the plan pays a $250 benefit per trip. The association membership provides your client with access to special privileges and savings that can positively impact their day-to-day lives, on top of the medical benefits they receive from the short-term medical plan. Your client will get access to My Telemedicine. With access to physicians 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from anywhere, they can review electronic health records, provide medical advice, and diagnose common and acute conditions over the phone or via video conference. There are no additional costs or limits on the number of consultations for members. When needed, physicians can call in prescriptions. The Well Card provides clients with access to pre-negotiated savings on prescriptions, vitamins, and diabetic supplies. They also get access to a variety of programs and services, including hospital negotiations, direct labs, diagnostic facility negotiations, and senior medical alerts. The family benefit category, they'll get access to a fitness program with more than 14,000 health and fitness clubs at reduced rates, the Online Fitness Center, a mobile-friendly lifestyle education tool for weight management, providing multiple online assessments, identity theft protection that's backed by $1 million of AIG insurance policy and identity risk score for no additional cost, as well as auto discounts with new and used auto quotes, new car purchase assistance, auto repair and maintenance discounts, and discounts on tires and wheels. In the entertainment category, the association offers discounts on hotel stays, travel flights, resorts, and car rental packages, unlimited usage to a broad portfolio of resorts, and a variety of savings on retail store and gift cards, as well as dining and entertainment. Here's a map of the state availability. All states with gray and blue are where the plan's available. If the state is gray, it's available with the Life Association membership. If the state is blue, it's available with or without the Life Association membership. The membership options are not available in Iowa, Kansas, Maine, Montana, Utah, or Wisconsin. The primary applicant must be between the ages of 60 days to 64 years at time of application. Children can stay on their parents' plan up to age 26. If you're writing a child-only plan, always put the youngest as a primary. The short-term medical plan does have a few health history questions. These questions will present themselves at the end of every application. Now, if the client answers yes to one or more of the health history questions, they may be eligible to enroll in the Guaranteed Issue Plan. Below are a list of states where the Guaranteed Issue Plans are available. It's important to note that the Guaranteed Issue Plans do have pre-existing condition limitations. This is just a sample and not a complete list of limitations and exclusions. You can always refer to the brochure for a more comprehensive list or the policy contract for a complete listing. This product excludes pre-existing conditions, maternity, expenses occurred outside the United States, its possessions are Canada, acts of war, whether declared or undeclared, intentional self-inflicted sickness or injury, mental illness, joint replacement, or spinal back surgery. Here at National General, we recommend bundling with our supplemental plans for even more coverage. We have many coverage options to pick from. We offer a plan enhancer, which is an accident medical expense with an optional cancer, heart, stroke, or sickness hospitalization riders, depending on state. We also have a Trio Med, which is an accident medical expense, critical illness, and accidental death and dismemberment, all rolled in one. We have standalone cancer, heart, stroke policies, term life critical illness policies, as well as a Foundation Health, which is a fixed benefit indemnity plan. Keep in mind, we do have dental PPOs or dental indemnity plans that make great add-ons. Our short-term medical policies can start the 1st through the 28th, as early as the next day. The coverage options are 30 days to no more than 3 months. The initial payment will be drawn at time of application, and the recurring payment options are monthly. Recurring payment is drawn 5 days before the month anniversary of the start date, or a single payment option. Keep in mind, with the single payment option, the insured must pay the total premium amount due for the application policy period. The one-time payment option, the total premium is non-refundable. The acceptable forms of payment are EFT, checking or savings account, as well as Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. Certain states have restrictions on how many times a client can have a short-term medical policy. On the screen are the rewrite policies. When enrolling into any National General product, your client must do a final attestation. You have two options to help your client choose to attest to their plan: e-signature or voice verification. E-signature is by far the easiest. When you press submit on the application, your client will receive an email. This email will ask your client to create an account on VIPmemberbenefits.com. From there, they will be prompted to read the authorizations and e-sign their policy. This takes just a few minutes. The voice signature, it takes a bit more time. The instructions for voice signature will be present at the end of every application, and the steps need to be followed exactly as presented. You, with your client on the line, will have to do a three-way call and read a script verbatim and have your client agree at the end. E-signature is much easier, but the voice signature option is there if needed. Your client will be able to view all their policy documents at NGAHdocuments.com. Their ID cards will arrive separately in the mail. Your client will be able to change their payment types or their address at VIPmemberbenefits.com. National General has a great member services department. They can help with cancellations, but do keep in mind, plan cancellations need to be done 10 days prior to the month anniversary to stop the premium withdrawal. National General's short-term medical policy uses the Aetna Open Choice PPO network and offers the Life Association member benefits in most states. There are many options to fit clients' budgets and needs, as well as it offers a $50 access fee to urgent care with unlimited visits subject to the coinsurance. You can sell it to people as young as 60 days old, and guaranteed issue is available. If you have any questions on this or any National General product, or how to become appointed with National General, please contact the email address on your screen. And thank you for your time.